to get job assignments in BETC. Step 1. Open the home page. As shown in the picture, enter the mission hall according to your level. Step 2. Select any movie viewing task and click hit enter. Step 3. Click play to watch the video and watch it for at least 15 seconds. Step 4. Click something to complete the task. The system will automatically complete the tasks and distribute your information. Step 5. Return to the task hall and continue to repeat the above operations to complete all tasks for the day. Assignment review time from 9 AM to 9 PM.